A breadboard is a construction base that lets you build and alter electronic circuits without the need for soldering. All of the contacts in this row are internally connected, as are the contacts in this column. This is the case for all the rows and columns on the breadboard. Jumper wires are used to connect contacts in different rows and columns. With a breadboard, you can insert a component into position and then remove it and put it somewhere else. This enables you to build different circuits. Breadboards have little tabs on two edges and slots on the other two edges. This enables you to clip breadboards together to make a bigger one. Building a circuit on a breadboard is really quick to do. Here, I'm building a simple circuit to illuminate an LED. I can simply insert the components into position on the breadboard. When everything's in position, I can just switch on the battery to try out the circuit. And yes, it seems to work. When I'm done, I can disconnect the power and take all the components out from the breadboard so it's ready to build another circuit. I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to using a breadboard. Thank you for watching.